Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the hardware and your work. First, power down, unplug the system, and ground yourself. Static kills memory. Once done, remove the case, document each module position with a photo so you can restore original order, and unclip the DIMM gently. Make sure to place modules on an anti-static surface. You will inspect the gold fingers for corrosion or debris and check for bent pins on the motherboard, because small physical issues often cause failures. You now focus on careful cleaning and incremental testing. Gently blow out dust, then wipe contacts with 90% plus isopropyl on a lint-free swab. This restores conductivity by removing oils and oxidation. Once dry, insert a single module into the primary slot and boot to BIOS to confirm capacity. If recognized, run memtest 86 or the OS memory diagnostic for multiple passes to validate stability. Make sure to record any. You wrap up by isolating and resolving remaining faults. If a module fails testing, swap it into another slot. Repeated failure indicates the DIMM is bad, while failures only in one slot point to the motherboard. Once identified, replace the faulty module or confirm failure by testing it in a different compatible system before disposal. If the slot is the issue, update the BIOS and contact the board vendor for RMA. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent errors continue, reseat all modules and retest. Loose contacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.